The search function is super important and it's a pain when it doesn't work, right? But hey, no stress. In this video, I'll walk you through how to sort out that annoying search bar not working issue on Windows 11. So let's jump right into the fixes without any delay. Solution 1. Repair Windows system files. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt from the search result, select Run as Administrator from the menu and click on Yes to give permission. Now in this window, type in sfc/scannow and hit Enter. After that, type in DISM/online/cleanup-image/CheckHealth and press the Enter key. Next, type DISM/online/cleanup-image/scanhealth and press Enter. Then type in DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore-health and hit Enter. Don't worry, you can copy these commands from the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and see if that did the trick. Solution 2. Modify Windows Search Service. To do this, click on the search icon and type in Services. Then click on Services from the search result and this program should pop up. Now scroll down and find the Windows Search Service. Next, right-click on it and select Properties. Then change the startup type to Automatic. After that, click on Apply and then on OK to save this change. Then right-click on the service again and select Restart. After the service is restarted, you should be able to use the search function as usual. So guys, that's how you troubleshoot the search not working on Windows 11 computer. If the video helped you sort out the problem, smash that like button. And if you're still facing the issue, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching.